Hello students, welcome back to my channel. So this video is for my class 11 and 12 ISC students. So students, आज हम देखेंगे newspaper report which is a part of directed writing and this question carries the weightage of 15 marks. So before starting the question, हमें कुछ पॉइंट्स याद रखने हैं न्यूज़पेपर रिपोर्ट लिखते हुए. सबसे पहले हम लिखेंगे एक हेडलाइन, शॉर्ट, कैची एंड रेलेवेंट टू द इवेंट. एग्जाम्पल, flash floods hit city, thousands homeless. Followed by the byline by Uthista Jain or by staff reporter. Then leaving a line on the left hand side, you have to write the place and date at the beginning. Suppose Chandigarh, 25 August 2025. Children, make sure कि जब हम न्यूज़पेपर रिपोर्ट लिख रहे हैं हमें जो क्वेश्चन में डायरेक्शंस दी हैं हमें उन्हें फॉलो करना है. We have to cover all the directions given in the question. Missing any point or direction will be penalized in your board exam. Do make paragraphs while evaluating the answer scripts. The other common mistake is that students don't make paragraphs. So children, make sure you make paragraphs while writing the directed writing or composition writing and present your facts in a chronological order. And then you have to end your newspaper report with a conclusion, what the current situation is, the government steps, or a note of hope. The language and style you have to follow is आपको past tense में लिखनी है because ये event already हो चुका है. Use formal, simple, clear language. No personal opinions, no exaggeration is required, and the word limit is around 300 words. Now let's start a question. So the question which I'll be discussing with you is a question of specimen paper for the year 2024. Your city was recently affected by devastating floods which left a trail of destruction in its path. Write a newspaper report in about 300 words on the floods using the points given below. You may include other relevant details. So, why this writing is known as directed writing? Because students हमें ये points, हमें ये directions दी है जो हमें अपने answer के अंदर include करनी है. Date and time when the city started flooding, cause of the floods, areas affected, loss of life and property, rescue and relief measures taken, help from the government. तो जब आप अपनी डायरेक्टेड राइटिंग लिखोगे मेक श्योर आप इसको इसी सीक्वेंस में लिखो and make sure or just try to underline these points because this makes evaluation easier and increases the legibility of your answer script. So let's start the solution to this. So first of all, we'll give a catchy title relevant to the event. Floods cause heavy destruction in the city. Then comes the byline by Srishti Verma or by staff reporter. Then the place and date, Yamuna Nagar. The date 25 August 2025. Now we'll start. On the night of 21st August, see, this has been asked in the question, date and time when the city started flooding. So I have underlined this here. On the night of 21st August, Yamuna Nagar city was struck by severe floods after continuous heavy rains and the sudden release of water from the Hathni Kund barrage. So the another thing which has been asked in the question is cause of the floods. तो मैंने इसे underline कर दिया. Within a few hours, several parts of the city were underwater. The overflowing Yamuna River entered low-lying areas and caused great destruction. So the another direction was areas affected. So I underlined low-lying areas. Now we'll change the paragraph, and children, make sure when you change your paragraph, leave a line and start along the margin. I repeat myself, leave a line and start along with the margin. The most affected areas were Gandhi Nagar, Model Town and Prem Colony. Houses, shops, and vehicles were badly damaged. See, I have underlined the areas because it has been asked in the question. Entire streets were flooded, making it difficult for people to move out safely. According to reports, more than 60 people lost their lives and hundreds were injured. So, the next thing or the next point was loss of life and property. So, I just underlined this. Thousands of families were forced to leave their home and take shelter in schools and community centers. The loss of property is estimated to be worth several crores. I just underline the loss of life and property. Rescue teams worked day and night to save lives. The NDRF, police, and fire department used boats and helicopters to bring people to safety. Relief camps were set up where food, water, clothes, and medicines were provided to the victims. Doctors and health workers also visited these camps to prevent diseases. So you have to underline the rescue and relief measures taken. So I just underlined the word relief camps. The government quickly announced a relief fund of rupees 200 crores for rebuilding and compensation. Families of the deceased were promised financial support. The Prime Minister also expressed sorrow and assured help from the central government. Now, again, underline the rescue and relief measure taken. Many NGOs and volunteers stepped forward to provide food, clothes, and other supplies. The last concluding paragraph we'll write. The water has started to recede now, but the damage left behind is very serious. Roads, bridges, and houses will take a long time to be repaired. The floods have shown the need for stronger flood control systems so that such a disaster does not happen again. So, see, children, in the concluding paragraph, we just wrote the current situation, government steps, and a future plan of action. So, this is the way to score 15 out of 15 marks in your newspaper report. In the end of the video, I'll just share a question for your practice. As a newspaper reporter, you have visited a number of hospitals in your city. Write a newspaper report in not more than 300 words entitled. Now, see, in this question, we are already given the title which we have to use in our solution. City hospitals based on the following points. So, the title should be City Hospitals by Uthista Jain or whatever, based on the following points: building and infrastructure, maintenance of the hospitals, quality of services, doctors, nursing staff, waiting period for treatment, emergency facilities, other facilities available, medical equipment, overall opinion. Students, I expect you all कि आप ये newspaper report solve करके you can send me, आप मुझे मेरी email ID पे भेज सकते हो, और if you need any other video, kindly drop it in the comment section and do like, subscribe and share for more such videos. Thank you.